Hi, my name is Trisha Jackson. I'm a mortgage loan officer with Guild Mortgage in Cheyenne. I moved to Cheyenne about 9 years ago. I came from a big city, so I wasn't sure how I would fit in with Cheyenne, but I've grown to love it. My husband and I got married about 3 years ago. He moved out here 5 years ago. And some of the stuff that we really like to do is Frontier Days. All of our family come into town, and it's just a good celebration of what Cheyenne's all about. I like that Cheyenne is quiet, and if we want to get out of the quiet town and go hit the hustle and bustle of the big cities, we can drive down to Denver. We enjoy the mountains, going up to Black Hawk, to the casinos. It's quiet here. It's a fun community, good place to raise kids. Overall, we love Cheyenne. I love Cheyenne. I find myself staying here for a very long time.